Right, okay, today I just got my new coffee machine. Decided that, you know what, as most of the coffee shops are closed now at the moment and we are missing our lattes, we thought we were going to try and actually do some of the artwork, and this came out. I got it on Amazon. It wasn't too bad. I think I'm paying it off over a monthly plan, but it was only about £100, which is very cheap for the other coffee machines are like 150, 200, 400 pounds. They get ridiculous. I thought, well, I may not be any good at it, so let's go for a cheap one first. Reviews are pretty good. 300 odd reviews. Most people seem to like it, and I just like the look of it. It looks nice. So this is the box. It's just arrived. Let's see what's in there. Right. Here we go. To become the ultimate barista, visit our website. No. Ooh, a wine voucher. Don't actually drink wine.
It's Father's Day present, Dan.
It's Father's Day present on you. Obviously the instruction manual. Who's ever going to read that? Okay. Ooh. Okay, thank you. Glamorous assistant. It's lighter than I thought it was going to be.
Well, I like that it comes with the card instead of like polystyrene.
Better for, unfortunately, the spoons and that seem to become wrapped in plastic. So we've got in this one. Okay. Some kind of filter. Sure, all will come clear when I learn how you do these things. Try not to break the measuring spoon, and I'm guessing the plunger probably on the other end where you kind of compact the coffee down.
Oh, you want to get a metal one of those at some point?
Yeah, that one. It looks cleaning brush, I assume. Right, and for the main event. What do we get in here?
Ooh.
Oh, it's out here as well. I suppose you show that. This is the handle part of it. Maybe we'll have to read the instruction manual. What do these do? I don't know. It's obviously the bit that you always see them. They put it in, they twist it, and hear all the. That's my sound effects. Look at this little beauty.
Let's have all the rubbish so it looks neater.
Yeah. So a drip tray. This is the steaming wand for obviously the milk frothing. Everyone said the only bad things people said is that this was a little short. I mean, considering you'd be holding the jug anyway, I don't really see that as much of a problem. There's obviously a steamer as well. That's how you turn it off and on. Looks very nice. Got a, I think it was a 1.2 litre or 1.5 litre tank on the back. Initial impressions, looks very nice. Very aesthetically pleasing, that's for sure. Oh, ooh, it's got a handle. Oh, look at that. How cool is that? There's a handle. Easy to take it to the sink and back. Slide it on. And there it goes with the handle. Oh, nice. It's back in. I like it. Is that a design that they fold away? That's cool. A little drip tray. Well, that's it really. I mean, that's the initial unboxing. So there's not really much else to say about it. It's a coffee machine. It's beautiful. It comes in many different colours. We went for the black one. I just like black and silver. It's classic. It's classic looking. I think there's blues, reds, greens, beige, white, all kinds of different colours.
And wooden handled ones.
And wooden handled ones as well, yes. So what we'll do, well, I will give it a go later on and probably try and make a video of me actually making a coffee, but that will be to come yet. So that's it. That was the unboxing of the Swan Retro. Thanks for watching.